Welcome back to the vlog. What have I got to tell you this week? Well, I saw Dale, who gave me the golden child reticulated python a year or more ago. He popped up to the falconry centre and I let him have a hold of his baby. I let him, yeah, that's a bit mean, isn't it? But he had a hold of his baby, who's grown quite a bit. I've been combating the fire damage. Now the insurance have finally pulled their finger out and replaced the windows that got damaged at the back of our house. They are battling us just to do anything. I'll fill you in on that when it's all resolved, but basically they've finally done one thing, refitted the windows and doors and everything at the back of our house that got melted. They won't cover outside pipe work, so my dad and I have changed the soil pipe today that all got burnt out. Luckily it sort of held together. I'm putting some tarantula housing together to rehouse and update my tarantula collection. Elsie and I right now, there she goes, we're in the woods just getting a little bit of bark. We've got compost and leaf litter the other day, and I got all kind of forage for my invertebrates from the woodlands, lichen covered twigs and so on, but I forgot to get little bits of bark for those spiders to hide behind during the day. So that's our mission for today, this kind of stuff, just some curved bits of bark there. But yeah, all going well. Time's flying by. The falconry centre's taken a lot of time this time of year because obviously we've got it round really nice, but now the weekends are in full flow. So as well as doing our full-time jobs, Jackie and I, we now work every weekend until October up at the falconry centre. Come and see us, for goodness sakes. It's there for your knowledge, your pleasure, your enjoyment, your entertainment. But we've got to get more of you people coming to see what amazing stuff's going on between our volunteers, the staff, everyone that helps at the falconry centre. So come and see us there. But for now, I'm going to just enjoy the peace of the countryside. I saw my first orange tip of the year. That was in my garden this morning. I always say that's my favourite butterfly, and this is my favourite, but spring butterflies, as much as I love to see those brimstones early spring, seeing a male orange tip, the females don't have the orange tips. Yeah, that's to me, that's the real spring is underway. Today it feels like spring, but my goodness, cold and wet. It's been a battle for spring to get in amongst the winter, but it's pushing there today. Enjoy the rest. Let me show you something really cool in the snake room this morning. First time here that we've actually bred Russian rat snakes. Look at that. The size of those eggs. What a great mum. She curled up in there yesterday, made a little nest area, and she's laid a wonderful clutch of really very big eggs for her size, I guess. Look at that. 4 years in the waiting, grown on, beautiful Russian rat snake eggs. Fingers crossed, we'll have some beautiful baby Russian rat snakes available in the summer. Seven-foot bull snake, finally enjoying the summer sunshine in the UK. It's been a long time coming for him, and it's still very on and off, but hopefully summer will come soon and he'll be a lot more active than he has been lately. Amazing to see the water level drop down now. We've only not had rain for a couple of days, but already the rivers are sort of ebbing down a little bit and clearing, which is quite nice to see. This is a nice green, coloured green leaf in the early spring, just coming into flower, pretty boring flowers. This is Jack by the Hedge, or garlic mustard, and these tender young leaves, certainly if there's no dogweed on them, add a nice tang to your salad for sure. Culprit. Talking of spring and stuff waking up, over at the Fulcry Centre, mostly due to the gardening team, the wildlife areas are just packed with invertebrates right now. Bumblebees especially, solitary bees too, but look at this amazing ichneumon wasp that the Cartwright family found. Really cool, really beautiful, brightly coloured. A little parasitoid wasp, one of nature's weird animals. Despite the bitter cold winds and the endless rain, we're rolling through April, heading into May, and it's the most beautiful time of the year, partly because, look at that, one of the most wonderful, important, beautiful plants of the English countryside is looking stunning. The hawthorn, the May blossom, home to many, many animals, food plant to many invertebrates, food plant to many birds in the autumn. Hawthorn is one of those plants I would say, always, if you can, get one in your garden, or a whole load of them. They make a hedge, a small shrub, a tree, you decide. But if you want something in your garden that will really, really benefit wildlife, hawthorn is definitely the way to go. And it's stunningly beautiful at this time of the year. Go into the countryside, go for a country drive, enjoy the May blossom right now. So I've just started stripping down this enclosure that's featured on many a YouTube vlog and episode. I'll show you what I found. There's a rat in here in the autumn that had jumped up something on the side. No harm was done, but I haven't seen my common lizards and I don't think they're in there. I'll show you what I did find though. Look at those. So here's what we found. My pool frog stroke edible frog, you tell me. I'm saying pool frogs. Slowworms, but two, these have been in there a really long time. Lots of stuff missing. But, shut up. Two of the original spade-foot toads. It's not a kind of frog, but you know what I mean. Look at that. So there's two of those in there. Look at their weird eyes. So I'm really shocked. No marbled newts at all. No common lizards. But two of the spadefoot toads. No green toads, which were originally inhabitants in there. Well, I think the pool frogs have survived every year. Because they actually spend most of their time aquatic, coming out to sunbathe and jumping back in. And also, those slowworms' tails are pretty mullered, so something's been in there, hasn't it, having a go at them, for sure. So time to move them out. Isn't a slowworm just a great animal though? Look at that. Beautiful British lizard. Hello. Look at that. Beautiful. So for those cheeky monkeys, somewhere a bit warmer, more sunshine, which they'll all benefit from, but very unceremoniously because it's too far in. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Mark 2. Bless them. Those little spade foots are going to have to sort themselves out. And get out and clamber out if they can. Which they can. Bless them. See how they get on in there. Nothing to eat them and a wire mesh roof. Jackie's just
turned round to look at me, so I'm looking at their butts.
I wouldn't place they've got to hide, they just like to cram it down, don't they?
Look at the 4 tails and the wings.
Funny. Best pets you can get, a pet rat other than a dog. Probably likened to family really, more than actually a pet. So lots to do. I still want to make this a little bit more of an old forgotten workshop or shed full of rats, but we need some more, what are they called, props.